four of, because there's four of us. Some shaving cream, some glue, which we also have four of.
Yeah.
Some contact solution, which we have another bottle too.
Just in case.
And some glitter and some food coloring. That's optional if you want to color your slime or not.
Yep.
But
What you will need for the containers are some mason jars, some paint if you want to paint them, some paint brushes for the paint, some more paint brushes, then we just have some gemstones to decorate, and finally, some ribbon. Let's get on to the video!
Okay, so first you pour in your entire bottle of glue.
It's really dull.
oh, that noise!
Swish.
Sorry for the background noises. Next you want to pour in your shaving cream. Okay, so after you have added your shaving cream, you will add your color. My color is green.
I'm using purple.
I'm using blue, and I'm using pink.
Okay, so your next step is you can either add your glitter, but if you're not doing this step, you can activate it.
Okay, so you obviously have to have a container for your slime. So,
And obviously your container has to look pretty. So we're gonna decorate it. Like,
Duh!
duh.
Okay, so one tip you can do is take some scrapbooking paper and trace this round part of the mason jar onto it and then cut it out and it'll be a pretty thing for your room.
What?
Okay.
okay, so we all made our own slime jars, and we each are gonna explain what we made, and we're gonna start with Riley.
Okay, so first I painted mine with acrylic paint, then I painted the top, and then I put little gemmy stones on the top.
I made mine like a rustic look, and I made like teal acrylic paint with like a ribbon, like in a bow, like,
Yep.
which no one else did. Unique. And some little gems.
Are we really gonna?
Yeah, and some little
Little
gemstones
gems
on top.
Which one just fell off?
And then I have my slime inside, which you're able to see, and then I just painted the bottom.
My slime's inside too.
And then I painted the bottom part pink with pink polka dots, and then my lid part is light pink with a bunch of gems.
So I also went for a rustic kind of design. I kind of messed up a few times.
Oh, it's okay.
I put gems on the top, and I painted both. And obviously, I got paint that wasn't supposed to be there, but it was.
It looks
rustic.
fine.
It was rustic. It was.
It looks okay. I hope you guys liked this video and you watch our next one.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.
Bye!